I pulled up to keep it weird at this Portland rideout. As you can see, it was a pretty good turnout, but now I know what it's like to be Jim. I definitely felt like the old guy at the rideout. As you can see again here, the turnout was pretty good. It was a hot day in Portland, Oregon, so we got lucky with the weather. By the way, if you go to electricbikecrew.com, you will find a variety of e-bike inspired t-shirts. We also have hoodies. We're also on Instagram, Electric Bike Crew.
Dude, that's kind of sick.
I absolutely hate going over this bridge. It always feels like I'm gonna fall. It feels like you're riding over a fence.
Good footage though. Hell yeah.
Carson! What the fuck? Yo, I'm back on Carson 98's bike, bro! Dude, I can't get the worm on the car. Hey, turn back. Stay behind me.
As I'm watching these insane wheelies, I'm getting a kick out of it. It's kind of like going to an NBA game. You enjoy watching them because they're so good, even though you're not as good as them. Same thing. I'm not as good as them, but I really enjoy just watching them do their thing and do their wheelies.
I hate this bridge.
So there you have it, a recap of the ride. Shout out to everyone who made it out, and stay safe out there, and catch you on the next one.